Acupressure for weight loss. Time and again, acupressure has to come to the aid for treating difficulties like migraine, back pain, abdominal pains, etc. It has an alternative medicine technique on similar principles to acupuncture. Instead of needles, external physical pressure is applied. Weight check. One of the most common issues that we face today in terms of health is balancing our weight. No matter how hard we try to control it, it fluctuates, sending our overall well-being for a toss. Here is how acupressure can help. Acupressure point. Acupressure not only helps in losing weight, but pressing these points would also help you beat stress, relaxing each and every nerve point. Energy meridian points in body. All you have to do is apply little pressure on these special energy meridian points on your body that would expel excess heat and moisture, giving an improved circulation to lose weight. No more. Ear point. You will be amazed to know that your ear always had a major control over your appetite. Gently place your fingertip at this point where jaw meets ear, and with a subtle pressure, move your jaw up and down. Abdominal sorrow point. Right at the end of your rib cage, you will find the abdominal sorrow point. Gently rubbing this pressure point for 5 minutes, 3 times a day, would relieve you from any kind of indigestion, ulcers, rib pain, and appetite imbalances. Press gently. Now moving down, stop exactly 3 centimeters below your navel or belly button. This is the point which from inside holds the key to good digestion and body strength. Elbow point. Did you know that the acupressure point to your large intestine lies on the inner side of your elbow crease? Applying pressure to this point stimulates the function of the intestine by removing excess heat and unwanted moisture from the body. How to press. Whenever you take break from work, start pressing this point for a minute using your thumb. Pressing this point as many times would only give you better results. Knee point. Knee is the most crucial area of your body as the entire weight lays on this joint. To locate the acupressure point around this area, place your fingertip 2 inches below the kneecap on the outer side of the leg. Now press this point for 1 minute with your forefinger. Locate it. If unable to locate it, then flex your foot up and down. The muscle which is moving under your finger is the right spot. Apply pressure to this point for nearly 2 minutes. Repeat this each day and you will see the changes occurring. Ankle point. Acupressure point around the ankle works well for the spleen. Not only it helps in strengthening your digestive system, but also relaxes your mind. Be gentle. The pressure point is found on the inner side of the leg 2 inches above your ankle. Gently apply pressure and then move thumb or the knuckle in rotator motion. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.